Alright, LEGO Fanatics, we're back. We're gonna keep building. Yes, we are. The cool thing is I have this other side, and the way this works is most builds are symmetric, meaning you do on one side and then you do on the other. So I'll show you in a minute here. Let me get this together right quick. Like this, and then this goes here. I love these little lantern Legos, they're kind of cool. Okay, and then, oh, I'm sorry, bricks. See, turn this upside down like this, and this goes like that. Yep. Okay, and then this goes just like the other one did, like there. That. Okay, and then I need these two are going to go here. One goes there. I can get it on there. There we go. And then the other one. Whoop, my fingers are not working today. And that one goes there. And let's straighten these out a little bit so they sit kind of even. There we go. Alright, cool. Okay, so let's put this down for a minute because I've got some more stuff to build. Here, I'm going to put this on like this. This is going to go like that. This is going to go like this. This is going to go like that. Okay. And this is going to go. It's going to go like. Nope, like this. There we go. And this is going to be like that. Okay, now I'm going to keep this rhythm going. I'm going to put some cheese slopes on here because these are kind of cool. Round out. Put a little detail on there, if you will. These are going to go like this. No, they're going to go like this. Okay, got it. Like that. And then I'm going to put this like this. I'm going to put this one like that. So they look like that. Okay. And then these two things are going to go here like that. Okay. There we go. Alright, so now we're going to turn it around and I need to put these together like that. Same thing here. Like this. Oh, wait. I get it now. Okay. Okay. Where's my... There it is. I always need these little separators sometimes to do this. Because, where did that go? Great. I'm going to have to go look for it. I'm taking this out because I missed a piece. And apparently it's spiting me. Shoo. Oh, maybe I didn't. Wait. Why is it telling me? Oh. Okay, I get it now. That's not supposed to go there. That's what I did wrong. Got it. So, I'm going to put this piece here. And everything's going to come apart on me. I'm going to put that piece there. Then I'm going to put this here like this, and that there like that. This is going to go down here, and then I'm going to put these on here so that this up and down ridge right here, if you can see it, is going that way like this. So this is going to go here. This is going to go here. Check this. And go like this. Okay, I think I did something wrong. Huh. So if I'm looking like this. Oh, I see. Okay. So this is going to go like that. Yep. This needs to be this way, by the way. Alright, so if I turn this over, this goes here, like that. Okay, so that's how that's going to work. And then I'm going to go look for this piece and put it on here, and then this goes right between here, like. Oh, okay. So it goes on here like that, and then this closes down. Oh, that's cool. Huh. So it's like this thing. Whoop. Okay. Back into build mode, and I will be back. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and share.